looking for so long. An all-purpose RV that can be used for multiple purposes. I finally found it. That's it, Changan Scenic Voyager Pro. Despite its small size and agility, but the internal configuration is directly filled. Make your home comfortable. Move directly on our way to travel. Drivers can also drive easily. The height at the top is only about 2 meters. Enter the basement at will. Sea photo can be opened. Green car travel is not afraid of restrictions. Not yet scrapped. This car is based on the Changan Hunter chassis. Light and easy to use. How can 5 people usually be a comfortable family car? Original, extended range 4-wheel drive plus air suspension. Pull full through sacks. The rotten road is as stable as the flat ground and the blue sky. 2.0T extended range power and dual motor 4-wheel drive. The comprehensive battery life reaches about 700 kilometers. What about a one-car trailer like this? Are you in love? Who says RVs are hard to handle? Changan Scenic Journey Pro. Female drivers can also handle it easily. This RV, zero threshold to get started. The C1C 2.0 can also be easily driven. Wide rearview mirror, streaming rearview mirror, full front, left, right, visual field. Blind spots are greatly reduced. It's safer to reverse and change lanes. Equipped with 540-degree panoramic image and transparent chassis, the road conditions under the car are clearly visible. Narrow position to move the car through the pothole and up the steps at a glance. No longer afraid to scratch the chassis. Pocket automatic. Simple operation does not take up space. Elegant shift without bending over. Electronic power steering wheel. Fingertip tap to turn. Low speed, lightweight. High speed stabilization. Driving for a long time does not cause arm pain. 3-speed adjustable air suspension. 1-click lower body. High speed is more stable. Crossing the corner does not float the road. Strong lift through. Intelligent electric 4-wheel drive multi-driving mode. Rainy days are not slippery. The mountain road is not steep. Girls can handle it easily. Hello, Zhaoan. Navigate to North Railway Station. The first online voice control. It is safer and more convenient to operate without hands. And 12.3 inches in the cab. Duplex, large screen, 40 watts, wireless fast charging. Keyless entry plus 1-click start. Hug, full leather seat. Silent cockpit. Fully configured. It's safer to look good. Changan Scenic Journey Pro. Let every female driver drive with confidence. Free start. Large ceiling space. 2 meters, clear height, non-suppression, 1 button, electric ceiling. This is Changan Scenic Traveler Pro, bringing you a luxurious experience. The internal clear height is about 2 meters. You don't get frustrated standing up. Mallard Premium Interiors. Textured full forehead bed. Surround view window on 3 sides. You can also see the scenery while lying down. Super reasonable layout. Oversized forehead bed plus card seat sofa bed. Comfortable beds for the whole family. Large version of private bathroom and portable toilet. It's super convenient to wash and go to the toilet. Induction cooker, microwave oven, 50 liters, refrigerator readily available. You can also show off your cooking skills outdoors. 4-way monitoring, storage, water heater. Electric, heating, air, awning, external kitchen. Fully configured, a true mobile home. 31.18千瓦时, 6 kilowatts external discharge, regular motor vehicle procedures. No mandatory retirement period. Changan Fengjing Journey Pro makes you worry-free with water and electricity. This trailer is equipped with an off-gear parking discharge function. Can achieve 6 kilowatts super external discharge. You can also eat hot pot when parked in the car. Turn on the air conditioner and watch the projector. Locked car can also continue to supply power. 70-liter large fuel tank, blessing. Oil electricity complementarity. 100-liter clear water tank and 50-liter gray water tank. Long distance residence. One-stop shopping for food, clothing, housing, and transportation. Ascending to sojourn. The original factory of Changan Central Enterprise creates a new standard for living.